Yes.
Oh yeah, you're really gonna get a spicy burrito now.
I'm gonna puke.
You probably will. You puke?
I don't want to see no bottom of it. That's not even a lot right there.
Excuse
No,
me.
listen, come on.
I don't want it to go all over the place. See, it's wasting that.
Oh, Robbie.
It's gotta be more than that. Let me pour it.
Oh, my
That's
stomach's
good.
gurgling.
Is that good, Taylor?
I have no idea.
I don't think that's enough.
Even the
Yeah,
dab
it
on the
is.
finger is a lot.
Maybe put a little bit more.
No, that's
A little
good.
bit more.
You're gonna kill me. That's good.
Whatever.
You might want to
Choke.
grab your daughter in case you like.
No, let me do it.
Blows
You have to
it.
swallow all
Let me
of it.
back up in case you blow it.
You have to hold it for 10 seconds and then you have to swallow.
Okay, I will.
Maybe a little bit more.
No, that's good.
I'll
That's
give you
good.
$10 if you
It's
do it.
fine.
I'll
It's
do a little
fine.
more.
No.
A little bit more.
No, it's
I'll do it.
fine.
I want a little
Josh, that's a lot.
bit. There, that's just like that.
You're totally wasting
No,
it.
no, alright,
That
no,
was a
alright,
lot.
that's good.
Oh, Robert.
10 seconds and then.
Oh
Oh,
god.
move.
Watch out, baby.
That's making my stomach hurt.
Robbie.
I'm an animal.
Oh god. Oh god.
Alright, hold it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's all. Swallow it!
You need water?
You can't drink water. Swallow it!
I told you.
You see it come out of his mouth?
I told you.
Really wild.
Oh my god!
I just love it.
Oh shit!
Oh.
Okay, Dad, I'll tell Dad I'll give him $30 if he does it.
Oh.
Yeah, the girl threw up. The girl threw up.
He's trying to swallow it! Oh my god, I thought he was actually gonna do it. I was like, oh shit, I owe him $10.
Me too.
He's trying to do it, you can't swallow. I gotta get Dad.
I need water. I need water. Can you get water for this?
Dad, let's see.